On June 7, 2023, the Upper East Regional Coordinating Council extended a one-month ban on the movement of cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, donkeys and their products to encompass the entire region in response to an anthrax outbreak that has affected certain parts of the region. The ban on slaughtering, sale and consumption of meat and meat products derived from animals were also enforced throughout the entire region. In a statement on the floor of Parliament, the Deputy Ranking Member on the Health Committee, Mark Ket Nawani, revealed that 3 persons have been confirmed dead following the anthrax infection in the Upper East region as of June 7, 2023, with 13 positive cases reported.
Right Honourable Speaker, the current outbreak was first noted in Binduri and has spread to the Boku Bolga municipality, Boku West, Pusiga, Telamsi, Garu and Timpani districts. As at 7 June 2023, 3 human deaths have been recorded and about 30 cases have tested positive for the anthrax bacteria. Also, a number of cattle, sheep and goats exceeding 30 have died. Mr. Speaker, there is a collaborative effort between the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Food and Agriculture and other stakeholders to contain the situation.
He also called for a review of some cultural practices among some tribes in that part of the region to help contain the virus.
Mr. Speaker, there is the need for cultural reforms and behaviors among some tribes in northern Ghana in the face of the impending epidemic. As part of the funeral preparation and burial of loved ones, depending upon the personality involved, cows, sheep, goats, and fowls are slaughtered under unhygienic conditions to be shared in their raw state to some families. These slaughtered animals are made to lie down for many hours before they are shared. Some individuals, after slaughtering the animals, eat the raw meat, while others consume the carcasses of dead animals. At the wrong side of the veterinary officers, sick animals are sold to butchers. There is the need, therefore, to educate our butchers to comply with veterinary inspection of their products.
The Member of Parliament for Boku Central, Mahama Yariga, disclosed that the minority may be compelled to summon the Ministers of Health and Agriculture before Parliament to brief the House on the virus in the coming days.
And prevent further spread of the infections. Mr. Speaker, I will say that this should be considered a national issue, that all the emergency systems that we activated during COVID, we have at least demonstrated a capacity as a country, and therefore within the locations that we have the infections, those emergency systems should be activated so that if we have infections, we can effectively deal with them. On that note, Mr. Speaker, I want to commend my colleague for bringing this up here for us to discuss, and then to say that in the not too distant future, we may be summoning the Ministers of Agriculture and also the Minister for Health so they can appear before this House and give us some updates on what the situation really is like and what steps they have taken and the effectiveness of the measures that they are putting in place or have undertaken.